Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Zubaidah from Uitm Puncak. Today, I would like to share with you guys one of the food service operation menu. Menu is the detailed list of food item offered at the food service establishment. Menu planning is nothing but selection of menu for an occasion or otherwise. Menu can be different for different meals of the day such as breakfast, lunch, brunch and dinner. The type of menu that interests me is cycle menu. In food production and operation, planning of menu is an important task. If the chef planned the menu in advance, it is easy to deliver ready food item on time. A ready menu can help organize the food preparation and ensure the chef cooks not only tasty but also healthy and nutritious food. It also helps in reducing wastage of food item and cooking fuel resources and also save money. A cycle menu is a series of menu that is repeated over a specific period of time such as 4 weeks. The menu is different each day during the cycles, and at the end of the cycle, the menu is repeated. Cycle menu are most often used in non-commercial food service operation. Cycle menu are most often used in non-commercial food service operation that serve the same group of customer every day, such as corporate dining, such as business and industry, healthcare, and schools. A cycle menu follow a particular pattern design to meet the needs of the operation customer and repeat on a regular basis. The length of the cycle should be set with customer in mind. For instance, a hospital can typically use a shortened cycle menu, perhaps 5 or 7 days for patients since must do not stay in the facility for many days. However, a food service operation in a continuing care retirement community may need a cycle as long as 6 weeks since customer may be eating in the dining room on a daily basis. Cycle menu are often planned seasonally. Next, the criteria of cycle menu include balance, nutritional quality, aesthetic, color, flavor, shape, and size of food. In addition, there are cost, production, and other management factors during the process of the cycle menu planning. Just make it simple, a cycle menu offers different meal plans for each day within a cycle. When the cycle ends, it repeats again in the same order. It also provides structure, predictability, and documentation. All of these are helpful factors to plan and maintain and also validate menu which help meet the nutritional standard and guidelines. Next, to develop cycle menu, firstly, you need to gather menu planning resources such as recipe, product information, and meal pattern requirement. Second is decided on the length of the cycles. Usually, the cycle menu should be at least 3 weeks. Third is plan the main dishes first. Try to include a different main dish for each day of the cycle. For example, serve vegetable food soup on Monday, fish nugget on Saturday, and chicken rice on Wednesday. And the last one is add the food to go with and complement the main dish. Check the new meal pattern requirement to be sure all requirements have been met. Using cycle menu, there are some advantages such as cycle menu can save time and allow menu planner to offer a variety of menu selection. Also, cycle menu can help control food costs because it is easier easier to project the right amount of product to purchase when you have previous production record for menus. So, cycle menu make it easier to buy regularly used items. Cycle menu can also help you to take advantage of seasonal food. But while planning a cycle menu for a period, the cycle menu period is fixed based on customer preference. For example, hospital can typically use shortened cycle menu, perhaps 5 or 7 days for patients, because most patients do not stay in hospital for many days. But when it comes to creating a cycle menu for a school, the cycle menu may tend to be as long as 6 weeks, because in this case, the same student can be eating in the cafe on a daily basis. So the food are not allowed to come into market variety times of the year. The real example that I can give is school. This type of menu is easy to plan and is consistently repeated over a period of time. Many schools choose to use a cycle menu that has a variety of different food available to students throughout the period of 3 weeks. The menus allow schools to know exactly how much meal will cost throughout the year. They will take the most popular option for nutrition, flavor, and develop them into patterns that will be easy to understand. Schools normally will stick with one menu once they have found the option and choice on the cycle menu that works best for the school. In conclusion, menu planning is a learned skill improved through practice. Effective menus are critical to the financial health of the food service operation and serve as a driver of the business. They are important to the successful food service operation, cannot be overstated. That's all from me. Thank you.